Monday. And what is the month? June. Okay, if you can see on the page, first page, I have written the date. Okay, and the day. The day is Monday. And can you see Monday is starting with M? Monday, Monday. And M is starting with capital letter. Okay, then there is the date. Okay, 22nd June. Can you see June? What is June? June is the name of a month. Okay, so it is starting with J. Okay, it is starting with J. June. Okay, next English grammar, B work, with the work you do in your English B copy. Okay, and then capital letters and their uses. Okay, this is what we did last weekend. Okay, I told you when we write the name of a person, okay, what we do, we write the first letter of the name capital. Okay, can you see in the picture there is a girl, her name is Anna. Okay, what is her name? Anna. And her name is starting with A. Her name is starting with A. So I have written why this A is here. Can you see this A? It is capital. Okay, what did I tell you? Capital letter. You have to write the first letter capital. Okay, so when you write your name, what you do? You write your first letter capital. Okay, whatever A, B, or C, whatever the letter is, you write the letter capital. Okay, next, in the second picture, see there is a boy and a girl, Ali and Zara. Ali and Zara. Can you see Ali? Ali, Ali. Okay, here see again, I have written A. Is a small or capital? It is capital. Okay, so A, when you write your name or anybody's name, you write the first letter A capital. Then Zara, Zara. Okay, it is starting with Z sound, Z letter. Okay, so it is also capital. Then see in the next picture, there is a boy. He is playing with his car. Okay, he is playing with his cars. Okay, see here, his name is John. What is his name? John. So I have written, can you see the red letter J? It is written in capitals also. Okay, so J is a capital letter. We start whenever we write a name of a person. जब भी हम किसी person का, किसी शख्स का नाम लिखते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हमेशा first letter जो होता है उसको हम capital लिखते हैं. Okay, next, see here, I told you last week also about the places. Okay, जगहों के नाम, जब हम किसी जगह का नाम लिखते हैं, when we write a name of a place, okay, we write the first letter P capital. Okay, here is Pakistan. Can you see the flag? Remember when there is 14th August, on 14th August आप क्या करते हो? 14 अगस्त पर आप फ्लैग लगाते हो अपने, यू पुट फ्लैग ऑन द रूफ, आप अपनी छत के ऊपर फ्लैग लगाते हो. yes, that is, this is flag, this is Pakistani flag. Okay, okay, it identifies Pakistan. ये पाकिस्तान की पहचान है. जब हम इसको देखते हैं, इस फ्लैग को देखते हैं, तो हम कहते हैं ये पाकिस्तान है. ठीक है, so here is the written name of your country, Pakistan. Pakistan, P capital. Can you see it is written in black color and it is capital also, P capital, Pakistan. Next, oh, can you see the next picture? There is water. Okay, there are some mountains also, but can you see the water down there? Yes, okay, it is a river. What it is? It is a river. River Ravi. What it is? River Ravi. Okay, river mean darya. Okay, next, mountain. Mountain. Okay, see, I have written river R capital, Ravi. Ravi is the name of the river. Ravi जो क्या है ये दरिया का नाम है. So I have written R capital. So yeah, when you will write the name of any place, you will write also R capital. Next, Mount K2. दिस इज द माउंटेन, ये पहाड़ है, ठीक है। इसका नाम क्या है, इस पहाड़ का नाम क्या है, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस प्लेस, ओके। इट इज it is a mountain and its name is Mount K2. इस पहाड़ का नाम क्या है, Mount K2, okay. These are the places, okay. Next, let's move to the next. Okay, see here, I told you about the days, okay, the days of the week. How many days are there? There are 7 days, okay. So here I have written Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Can you see Sunday? I have written first letter capital in red color and then the rest of the letters are small. Yes, okay, see there, मैंने क्या किया है, एस कैपिटल लिखा है और बाकी लेटर्स क्या है, वो सारे स्मॉल हैं. इट मीन्स दैट व्हेन यू राइट द नेम ऑफ अ डे, जब आप दिन का कोई नाम लिखते हैं तो वो भी आप क्या करते हैं, एस कैपिटल लिखते हैं, ठीक है. देन सी नेक्स्ट, April. What is April? April is a month, okay. What is April? April is a month, okay. So here you see again, okay, A is written in capital form, okay. A is capital here again, so it is a name also, okay. So we write A capital. Next, oh, lovely picture. What is this? This is a Christmas tree, okay. What is this? Christmas tree. Remember when we have Christmas, what we do, we say, we bring a Christmas tree and we decorate it and celebrate our Christmas. Yes, okay. So this is Christmas tree. It's the name of the tree, Christmas tree. It is an occasion, okay. हम जब Christmas मनाते हैं तो हम एक tree decorate करते हैं, तो उस tree को हम क्या नाम देते हैं, Christmas tree, okay. So when you write Christmas, okay, you write C capital, okay, because it is a name, okay. So we write C capital, Christmas tree. Okay, let's move next. I hope you have all understood it, okay. Hope कि आपको ये सारा कुछ रिवाइज हो गया है, सब कुछ आपको समझ आ गया है, ठीक है. Now let's move to the next. Yes, this is the worksheet I'm going to give you in your homework. ये आप एक worksheet है, I will give you in your homework. मैं आपको आपके homework में दूंगी. You have to do it, okay. So let me explain this worksheet for you. Okay, see here, number 1. Let's read the question first. Question number 1. Rewrite the words with capital letters, okay. आपने क्या करना है, ये जो नीचे वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं 1 से लेकर 10 तक, ओके. what you have to do is, आपने क्या करना है, you have to write these names or words again, ओके. आपने ये सारे वर्ड्स जो हैं या नेम जो लिखे हुए हैं, आपने इनको दोबारा से लिखना है. वेयर यू हैव टू राइट देम इन दीज ब्लैंक्स. आपने इन ब्लैंक्स के अंदर लिखना है, ठीक है. you have to write these answers here in the blanks. Okay, the first word is Sam. Sam is the name of a boy, okay. ये एक लड़के का नाम है, okay. Next, there is another name, number 2, Alina. What it is? Alina. Okay. What you will do? You have to write the first letter capital and then you have to write it here. Okay. Next, number 3, River Indus. It is a river, दरिया का नाम है, ठीक है. Indus, जिसे आप दरियाए सिंध कहते हैं. Okay. River Indus. Next, Mount Everest. Remember I showed you a picture of a mountain. मैंने आपको एक mountain की picture दिखाई है, K2, okay. It's again another mountain. ये एक और पहाड़ी है जिसका नाम क्या है, Everest, okay. Mount Everest. Next, number 5, Sunday. Number 6, October. Sunday is a week, is a day, and then October is a month. Next, number 7, Lahore. Lahore. What is Lahore? Lahore is the name of your city, okay. ये आपके शहर का नाम है, where you live, जहाँ पर आप रहते हैं, ठीक है. Lahore. Next, number 8, Packages Mall. Wow, Packages Mall. What is Packages Mall? Packages Mall is a store, a very, very, very big store, super store, where you go and buy your thing, buy stuff, toys, clothes, food also. Yes. आप पैकेजेस मॉल क्या है? ये एक मॉल है बहुत बड़ी, जो है वो स्टोर है, सुपर स्टोर है, जहाँ जहाँ पर आप चीजें खरीदने के लिए जाते हैं. Next, number 9, Cinderella. Oh, what is Cinderella? Who is Cinderella? Oh, Cinderella is a story, a girl of a story. Remember? She is the princess. Yes, ये एक princess का नाम है. Okay. Next, I think I have mistakenly written C capital, so you have to write it the same way here. Okay. Okay, all right. Here, next, number 10, The Jungle Book. Okay, it is a name of a book. ये क्या है? एक स्टोरी बुक का नाम है. Okay, like you have your books, जैसे आपकी बुक्स हैं. If you see your book on the first page, the cover page, अगर आप अपनी बुक को देखें तो उसका जो फर्स्ट कवर है, जिसके ऊपर पिक्चर बनी हुई है, क्लास 1 लिखा हुआ है जिसके ऊपर, तो आप देखेंगे कि उसके ऊपर बुक का नाम लिखा हुआ है, इंग्लिश, कैम्ब्रिज ग्लोबल इंग्लिश. अगर आप गौर से अपनी बुक के ऊपर देखें तो क्या है? ऑल द लेटर, फर्स्ट लेटर लाइक कैम्ब्रिज, इट इज रिटन सी कैपिटल with C capital, then global G capital, then English E capital. See, when we have in all the books, when we write the names of the books, the names of the stories, okay, we write the first letter capital. Okay, this is the worksheet you have to do at home. Okay, you can do it in your English B copy, या आप अपनी English B की copy में भी कर सकते हैं if you cannot get the print. Okay, next. Okay, our next topic is, we are going to start our new topic, and which is about capital letters also. Okay, so the first thing we have to learn is how we start a sentence with capital letter. Okay, okay, when we write the first letter, what we do? Okay, what we when we write a first sentence, sorry, what we do? Okay, how we write it? Okay, so I'm going to show you how we write. Okay, see here. When we start a sentence, जब हम कोई जुमला शुरू करते हैं, we write first letter capital. तो हम क्या करते हैं? first letter capital लिखते हैं. Like, see sentence number 1. She is a good girl. वो एक अच्छी लड़की है. She is a good girl. Can you see all the spellings? S. She is starting with letter S. And see here, I have written letter S small in the first sentence. मैंने first sentence में first letter जो है, first जो word है उसका first letter मैंने small लिखा है. ठीक है? So, and the rest of the all the letters are small. Okay, सारे letters जो है वो small लिखे हैं, but I mentioned the first letter, the word she, and in that the first letter I have written in red color. It means that here is a mistake. हमें ये पता है कि यहाँ पर क्या है, मैंने ये एस क्यों किया है, ताकि आपको पता चले रेड कलर में क्यों लिखा है, कि आपको पता चले कि आपने जब आपने कोई सेंटेंस लिखना है तो आपने जो फर्स्ट लेटर है, जब आप स्टार्ट करेंगे कोई भी सेंटेंस, ओके, आप कोई भी सेंटेंस जब आप शुरू करेंगे तो आपने क्या करना है, उसका फर्स्ट लेटर जो है आपने स्मॉल नहीं लिखना. यू डोंट हैव टू राइट द फर्स्ट लेटर small of any sentence. Okay, what you will do, you will change it into capital S. आपने उसको क्या करना है? कैपिटल S में तब्दील करना है. आपने स्मॉल लेटर नहीं लिखना, आपने कैपिटल लेटर लिखना है. ठीक है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज she with capital letter. Okay, she is a good girl. आपने क्या करना है, जब आपने फर्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखना है तो आपने क्या करना है, उसका जो फर्स्ट वर्ड होगा सेंटेंस का, उसका फर्स्ट लेटर आपने कैपिटल लिखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट नंबर 2. He is a naughty boy. वो एक शरारती लड़का है. He is a naughty boy. Okay, see here. Next, again, I have written in the first letter, all the letters are small. Okay, आप देख रहे हैं कि मैंने सारे letters जो हैं वो small लिखे हैं. Okay, now see there. H, it is written in red color. ये red color में लिखा है. It means that it is small. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have, when we write it again, जब हम इसको दोबारा लिखेंगे या हम जब लिखेंगे तो what we will do, we will write the first letter H capital. तो हम first letter H जो है वो क्या करेंगे, उसको capital लिखेंगे. Okay, so here it is written, he is a naughty boy. वो एक naughty boy है या एक शरारती लड़का है. See, again see, number one, when you, what you have to do, you have to write the first letter capital of a word when you write a sentence. जब आप कोई भी sentence, first sentence अपनी copy में लिखते हैं, so what you do, आप क्या करते हैं, आप उसको जब start में लिखते हैं तो आपने first letter capital लिखना है उस word का. वो कोई भी वर्ड हो सकता है, ठीक है, तो आपने उसका फर्स्ट लेटर जो है क्या करना है, कैपिटल लिखना है, ठीक है. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट, as I have given you the examples here, she, S-H-E, she is a good girl. Here I have written S capital. Next, number two, he is a naughty boy. Okay, he, here in the second, the correction, okay, I have explained it here. He capital. In the first sentence, it is H and S are written small, but in the second sentences, when I have written them again, what did I do? I wrote them with capital letters. Okay, मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने उसको first letter को change किया है capital letter में. Okay, now next, see here. Here you go. Okay, this is the worksheet I'm going to give you again. Okay, there is another worksheet. You have to do it at home. आपने इसको भी करना है घर में, ठीक है. ये देखें इधर, rewrite each sentence correctly and begin each sentence with capital letter. आपने क्या करना है, ये sentence जो दिए हुए हैं 1 to 5, there are 1 to 5 sentences. What you have to do is, they are all written in small letters. Okay, ये सारे जो sentences हैं small letters में लिखे हुए हैं. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to write them again. आपने इनको क्या करना है, दोबारा से लिखना है. And how you will write, कैसे लिखेंगे, you will change the small letters first word. But first you need to see the first word. सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है, आपने जब sentence को change करना है तो पहला word जो है वो क्या है वो देखना है. Okay, see here, in the first sentence, the first word is my. Okay, what will you do, you will change the first letter M. What is the first letter here, M. So you will write it in capitals. Okay, आप क्या करेंगे, आपने इसको M को, small m को change करना है capital M में. Okay, so you will write here capital M and then small y. My dog likes to run, and the rest of the letters you are going to write in small letters. Okay, आपने first letter को capital लिखना है और बाकी तमाम जितने भी letters होंगे उनको आप क्या करेंगे, small में लिखेंगे. ठीक है. Next, what is the first word here? Read the sentence. She eats mangoes every day. Okay, now see here again, I'm reading. She eats mangoes every day. What is the first word here? She. What is the first word here? She. So here you have to make the change. Okay, you will write the first letter S capital. Next, number 3, her mother is a doctor. Her mother is a doctor. Okay, what is the first word here? Her. What is the first word? Her. Her. Hey, it is starting with H. Okay, so what you will do, you will write the first letter H capital. Next, number 4, his father drives his car carefully. Okay, his father drives his car carefully. Okay, now see here, what is the first word here? His. What is the first word? His. Okay, you will write the H, the first word, the first letter, capital H. Okay, next, number 5, Anna. Anna likes to play with dolls. Anna likes to play with dolls. Okay, what is the name here? What is the first word here? Anna. Okay, what it is? Anna. So you will write the first letter A, capital. What will you do? You will write the first letter A, capital. Okay, now this is the work. You have to do it in your English B copy. I'm repeating again. If you cannot get the print, if you get the print, that's good. If you cannot get the print, okay, you can write down them in your English B copy. Okay, now let's here, this is your homework. I'm going to give you your homework. First is learn the 7 names of the days for test on Tuesday. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to take your test. Tomorrow, कल मैंने आपका टेस्ट लूंगी आपको. आपका आपने क्या करना है, जो 7 days के names हैं, ठीक है, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. Okay, you have to learn them with spelling. Okay, what you have to do is you have to learn them with spellings. Okay, I can take your oral test. I cannot check your copy, so I will take your oral test. I will listen the spellings. Okay, मैं आपसे spelling सुनूंगी. Okay, one by one. Okay, next, number 2, do the worksheet given in homework in your English B copy. आपने अपनी English B की copy में जो भी आपको worksheet आपको दी है वो आपने करनी है. ठीक है, वर्कशीट अगर आप प्रिंट ले सकते हैं तो आपने प्रिंट जो है वो वर्कशीट जो है अपनी कॉपी में पेस्ट करनी है. यू हैव टू वर्क पेस्ट द वर्कशीट. ओके, एंड इफ यू डोंट गेट द प्रिंट, अगर आपको प्रिंट नहीं मिलता तो आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू राइट देम इन योर इंग्लिश बी कॉपी. आप उसको इंग्लिश बी की कॉपी में भी लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ कैपिटल लेटर्स एट होम. आपने कैपिटल लेटर्स जब आपने लिखने हैं, यू हैव टू लर्न देम. आपने उसको सीखना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल योर वर्क यू हैव टू डू. ओके, today.